Welcome back again. If there is something that we love in this household, it's long-lasting products. But sometimes time taxes the products that we love too much and it's just time to let them go. Though our Razer Kitty Bluetooth headset version 1 has seen better days, but you have to remember that we have been actively using these for 5 years. Luckily, Razer has updated the ultra-popular headset for this decade. As you can see from the package, the design hasn't changed much. But if you make something right, you don't have to reinvent the wheel, right? No time of shooting this video, Razer offers this in 4 different variants. The one I have here is the Bluetooth model. There are 2 wired versions and 1 wireless which has dongle and Bluetooth. As the others are marketed for gamers, this is more of a mobile headset, but then again this has Bluetooth 5.2 and there is a gamer mode also that can be enabled. Now before we open the package, as an old Nintendo nerd, it's nice to see that the Triforce isn't a thing of a past. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Short manual, Razer stickers, pairing guide. Here are the headset and this looks like a Chinese puzzle. But I have to be sure that there's nothing else here. Yeah, nothing more. Alright. I'm guessing USB cable. Ooh, nice pink. USB-A to USB-C. 50 centimeters. As I said, the design is something that hasn't changed a lot over the years when we compare to version 2 to version 1. Checking out the control buttons, this is exactly the same. So there's the USB for charging, volume rocker, pairing and power button. The earmuffs are basically the same. They have fabric here, but leather on the outside, so it should isolate noise somewhat better. As I talked earlier about this having the gaming mode with the Bluetooth 5.2, that can be enabled by pushing down 5 seconds for this only button that the headset has. Both ear cups have RGB LEDs, which you can control from the Razer Synapse software. Internet has really been tearing down the Synapse lately, so I'm not gonna go there this time. Now the charging is changed from micro USB to USB-C and the battery capacity in the old one is 20 hours and the new one should last for 40 hours. Okay, let's pair these to my phone and test. I'll need you. Alright, it goes automatically to the pairing. I also know you can hear my voice from the integrated microphone of the headphones. And as always before, let's test this with the sound quality is a lot better when we compare this to the version 1. The bass is not too heavy and you can hear the lows and highs quite nicely. Okay, final comments. As far as I know, these are the only cat ear headphones in the market, so there aren't much options in that way. Good to remember is also that you can actually purchase the ears as a separate product. They don't really cost that much. But if we think these only as a Bluetooth headphones, they aren't that amazing. The sound quality is better than I expected, but still you can get headphones with better sound quality for same or less price. I recommend checking my other videos that I've done about JBL headphones. But as I mentioned, this is the only way that you can be a real Catricorn. Until next time.